Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we kind of pulled back on the structure and bounced off it. So the structure is right here. You can see the previous highs here, and that is at 15,828. If I just adjust it slightly, 15,812. Call it 15,800. That's kind of the structure we've got. Oscillators are still concerning me. We are grouped to the upside at the moment. I prefer to see them sort of off the top here. For us to look for opportunities to buy into this. So at the moment, this week has been pretty much sideways. I think we can actually just put a level in at the high of the week for now and the low of the week right now, and that is the range we're in. Options expiry this Friday afternoon. So I suspect, I haven't seen what the DAX options expiries are, but if I look at the US markets, I think we're going to probably range around. And these are the two levels that we need to pay attention to right now. So looking at the hour, the US had a fairly big sell-off, but it wasn't followed through on the DAX after hours. So yeah, nothing really we can add into this. There is a bit of a trend line here, but then at the same time, there is a bit of a range or channel forming. So yeah, if we break this channel to the upside, then you have a measured move. Measured move still in play from yesterday, just slightly adjusted. So the measured move would be the all-time high here again. So yeah, I think for me right now, if we just pop down to the 15-minute, you can't really trade this. If you look at that, there's no real price action here. Moving averages all pointing to the downside, oscillators all over the place. There's no real structure here. So what I would want to see is some kind of structure. The first bit of structure is to break above this little high here of 15,900. So 15,922. Break of that, pull back and retest. That may get me long with a little bit of a tight stop, either below the swing low or whatever swing low forms at the open. I don't see anything else at the moment. It's really, we're all over the place. I mean, the drill is still the same. So much is going on in the world today, and I don't think this is traders trading. This looks more like algorithms trading the markets, and sort of just scalping longs and shorts in different channels and different wedges and different splits of structure on lower time frames. So when I say that, you can come down to like a 3-minute chart and you'll see what I mean. So you can see diversions off a level, the longs come in, and then you can see the trend switches, shorts come in, double bottom, longs come in. So the scalpers are the ones that are making money on the lower time frames. But that's not, I don't have time for that, so that's not what I do. I look for the higher time frames. It just gives me a much better risk to reward most times. So anyway, I'm sit on hands with the DAX, wait for some of the structure to break. It may happen today, but you can see it was big down, big up, big confusion. So that's 2 days in a row that we've had that. Okay, anyway, so that's me. If I do see something, I'll call it out in the Telegram channel, although yesterday's call was a bit of a shocker. We got burnt on that one, but that's how it goes. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.